Hi there guys, welcome back to a new episode. In this one we have another quick look at Hcmc, because looking at this one over the past day we are looking at a lot of volatility. For the whole day we are finishing up by about 3%, so honestly the gains aren't too big, but with this one we are looking at it with a more long-term approach. But regardless guys, I'm going to be talking about how we have been moving today, and of course my personal predictions going into tomorrow, and what I think about this stock going forward. Well guys, you already know that I am not a financial advisor, so this is all just for entertainment purposes. But with that being said, if you will enjoy the episode, please do leave a like and subscribe because it would be appreciated. I need to say a massive thank you for how much the channel has been growing recently. With that being said though, let's jump straight into the video and not waste a second more. So yes guys, Hcmc really does have a lot of potential with that lawsuit upcoming. If you want to see more on that one, please do watch last night's episode, but today we're talking about the moves that we have been seeing. So recently guys, I actually did place a position on this stock today, and this position was for 65,000 shares. Now that wasn't the most that I could have bought, but of course it was a relatively decent sized position, and I do anticipate buying more of this stock today. Now of course, looking at my position right now on my mobile phone, I can tell you that I am down by about £4.50 or 1.91%. Of course I must have bought in at a higher price point, but I am not too concerned by that one at all. Obviously the main catalyst for this stock going forward is the lawsuit upcoming, and of course guys, I do think that this one does have a lot of potential to build some real hype. So honestly guys, I am looking to buy more of this stock as soon as possible. I'm not too concerned about the fact that it is down today. I definitely think that this really does give us a potential to buy the dip from that high point that we have been seeing so far. I think that even going into tomorrow, we definitely could see some more action to the upside. So realistically guys, this one is down for the majority of the day, but overall we are finishing the day positive, which is another good thing. But from those highs up until now, yes, I am down on my position. I am not too concerned about this one. I really am looking for this one with some long-term potential, and I can see this one go much higher in the future if this one does get the appropriate amount of hype, which I personally do believe it can be. So with this one, I have definitely put my money where my mouth is by buying more of these shares, and I am not too worried about the fact that it's down right now, because of course I am holding this one for the next few weeks to see what happens with it. But realistically guys, I would only afford to risk what you can lose, because yes, 6,500 shares from, or sorry, 65,000 shares from me is quite a lot. But of course, even if it goes down to zero guys, which it probably won't by the way, I would not be too concerned about that one in the worst case scenario. So only afford to risk what you can lose, and make sure you are looking into this investment. But I definitely do see a lot of potential coming with this one in the next few weeks. I think yes, this one has been down for the majority of the day, but I think that realistically tomorrow will hopefully be quite positive for the stock. I think if that is the case, it will indicate more strength going forwards. I really can see this one as having a decent buying opportunity right now. I think at the current price of this, very low point, it really does have a great price potential going forwards. I can see this one going to a, fairly decent price in the future. When we talk about actual prices, guys, I really do think it is hard to say. Some people have been talking about this one hitting $1 or $2 in the future. I think that is a very, 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 very optimistic target. I'm not sure that that will happen, but even so, guys, I think there is a lot of room to see this one grow. I definitely think it could touch $1 if it was to get a lot of hype, but I am not looking for that, in my personal investment. I'm looking for this one to see a bit more stable growth at a bit lower of a percentage, for a bit more of a long-term period. But of course, guys, it all depends on how this lawsuit goes and how people react to it going forwards and how hyped this stock gets subsequently. So I think that today is now actually a pretty decent buying opportunity. It has been quite flat for the majority of the day. I think that is a fantastic thing to see. I'm really happy with how this stock has been moving, guys. So I honestly see this one as a decent buy as of current. I am definitely looking to add more to my position when possible, guys, and I can see this one going up by a bit more tomorrow. But if you do want to see an update on this one tomorrow, guys, I will of course be bringing you my personal opinions in that episode, so please do make sure to subscribe to not miss out on it. But if you did enjoy this one, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.